If your Mac dock is not showing up when you hover your mouse, this is the fix. Your auto hide is enabled, but the dock simply stopped responding. This happens after system updates or sleep cycles. Open your terminal app. Find it by pressing Command plus space and typing terminal. Once it's open, paste this command exactly as shown on screen or in the description for you to copy and paste. Hit enter. Your dock will disappear for 1 second and come back. Now hover your mouse to the bottom of the screen. Your dock is back. Auto hide is working again. No restart needed. 30 seconds. Problem solved. If this helped you, you'll find more quick Mac fixes on this channel.